Hello and welcome to this video. Today, I'm going to guide you through a simple, step-by-step tutorial on how to add color to text in MailerLite. It's very easy to get started. If you'd like to follow along, you can log in to your MailerLite account or sign up using the official link in the description below. First, click on the Campaigns tab. You can either create a new campaign or edit an existing one. For this tutorial, we'll edit an existing campaign, so click on the Edit button next to your campaign. Next, click on Edit Content to open the drag-and-drop editor. Inside the editor, select the text you want to color. You'll see a text color icon appear above the toolbar. Click on it, and then choose your preferred color from the palette. You can experiment with different shades until you find one that matches your email design. This same process also works for landing pages in MailerLite. And that's it! You've successfully added color to your text in MailerLite. This small design touch can make your emails stand out and look more professional. Thanks for watching, and I hope this quick tutorial helps you enhance your MailerLite campaigns with beautiful text styling.